Sunshine, it's our sunshine.
I am Dr. Chiranjeevi. I am senior consultant in Sunshine Hospital. I am feeling very proud to say I am only one lady replacement surgeon in India. He is Siddique. He is my favorite patient. I performed his left total knee replacement on February 22nd. After 1 month of post-operative period, he was so hesitating before undergoing surgery because he has to perform his daughter's marriage after 1 month. I gave confidence and he is very good. He did very good for post-operative physiotherapy and he performed his daughter's marriage just immediately after 1 month of his surgery. And second knee I operated 1 week, just 4 days back. Now he is flexing his knee comfortably and he is going to bathroom without any assistance and he is very comfortable.
Hello, I am KM Siddique, Chief Manager from State Bank of India. I was suffering for a pretty long time with both my knees and I was unable to walk for a pretty long time and there was a lot of deformity in my both the limbs also. Almost they were in bending position, my walking position also was changed. I was totally limping at that time. And my cousin Dr. Khadri, a senior intensivist at Kurnool, he told me that you want to perform your daughter's marriage well, you have to undergo first knee replacement, he said. My cousin inquired with one of his colleague, Dr. A.M. Ilyas Basha at Kurnool. Dr. Ilyas Basha referred us to madam. And before I thought of going for surgery, I took up a lot of opinions with a lot of people also and who also underwent the surgeries previously also. They also told, no boss, you will get 3 months time, 4 months time, 5 months time. Somebody told me even 6 months time also. But I was astonished really. After 20 days I was able to walk without walker after doing my first left knee surgery. My left knee surgery was performed on 22nd February. The physiotherapist also, they gave a lot of support. I did my daughter's marriage very well. I walked, I run, I did everything for my daughter's marriage. And it is a really, I am not boosting for madam. It is my really heartfelt thanks to madam. I never thought that such surgeons will be there. And hats up to you madam. Thankful to you very much. Thank you very much.
Sunshine, it's our sunshine.